Tired of alt-tabbing between documents in OneNote? Stop wasting time. Insert any file as a searchable, annotatable printout in seconds. No more messy screenshots, no more juggling separate windows. I will show you 3 ways to insert printouts, then how to annotate, reorganize, search, and lock them in place. So let us start with the most straightforward method. Open your OneNote page, go to the Insert tab up at the top, and click File Printout. Find the file you want, whether it is a PDF, a Word document, or a PowerPoint. Click Insert, and OneNote will go through the document page by page, turning each one into an image right on your notebook. This might take a moment for a long document. Now for a faster alternative. You can drag and drop that file directly from your computer onto your OneNote page. A small menu will pop up. Choose Insert Printout, and it will do the same thing. This is a real time saver when you already have the file open. And here is a method I picked up from researching this across Microsoft support and several tutorials. If you are already working inside the Source app, say you are in Word or Adobe Reader, just press Ctrl+P. Instead of choosing your regular printer, select Send to OneNote. Hit Print, and it will send the document straight into your notebook. This is perfect when you want to capture something without leaving the app you are working in. So now that it is inserted, let us mark it up. Head over to the Draw tab. You can write, highlight, or scribble notes directly over the document pages. Use a pen tool to circle key points, or a highlighter to mark important lines. It feels just like working with a physical printout, but way cleaner. Move pages around to your liking. Each page from your document is inserted as a separate image block. Just click and drag them to reorder them. If you need more space between pages, pull them apart. It is that flexible. Adjust size for better visibility. Use the corner handles on any printout image to make it bigger or smaller. Just be careful with the side handles, as they can stretch the image out of proportion. Stick to the corners to keep it looking right. OneNote can read text inside images. This is a feature I absolutely love. It uses built-in optical character recognition, or OCR. You can type a keyword into the search bar, and OneNote will find it even inside your printouts. So if you uploaded a contract and need to find the word termination, just search for it. No need to scroll through pages manually. And here is the really important part. Prevent accidental movement. Right-click the printout and select Set Picture as background. Now it is locked in place. You can draw over it, type next to it, and it will not budge. This is a game changer when you are taking lots of notes on top of a document, and that is the full workflow. You now have searchable, annotatable document printouts seamlessly integrated into your OneNote. No more alt-tabbing, no more cluttered screenshots. Try it out and let me know which method works best for you.